students, in this video we are going to discuss about a gas turbine power plant, its working and constructions. A gas turbine power plant may be defined as one in which the principal prime mover is of turbine type and the working medium is of permanent gas. A simple gas turbine power plant consists of compressors, so LPC or HPC, intercooler, this is the intercooler, regenerator, combustion chambers, gas turbine, this is gas turbine, and reheating unit. First, let us see what is compressor. In gas turbine power plant, the axial and centrifugal flow compressors are used. In most of the gas turbine power plant, two compressors are used. One is low pressure compressor and other is high pressure compressor. In low pressure compressor, the atmospheric air is drawn into the compressor through the filter. The major part of the power developed by the turbine is used to run the compressor. It may be about 66%. This low pressure air goes to the high pressure compressor through the intercooler. This is the intercooler. So through the intercooler, then the high pressure air goes into the regenerator. Okay, let us see what is intercooler. The intercooler is used to reduce the work of the compressor and it is placed in between the high pressure and low pressure compressor. Intercoolers are generally used when the pressure ratio is very high. The energy required to compress the air is proportional to the air temperature at the inlet. The cooling of compressed air air in intercooler is generally done by water. So the water will be sent by this way, and it will be the cooled water, that is the used water will be sent out through this. Okay, let us see the working of regenerator. So regenerator are used to preheat the air which is entering into the combustion chamber to reduce the fuel consumption and to increase the efficiency. It is done by the heat of the hot exhaust gases coming out of the turbine. Okay, next one is combustion chambers. Hot air from the regenerator flows to the combustion chamber and the fuel like coal, natural gas or kerosene are injected into the combustion chamber. After the fuel injection, the combustion takes place. This high pressure, high temperature products of combustion are passed through the turbine. Next one is gas turbine. So there are two types of gas turbines are used in this type of gas turbine power plant. One is a high pressure turbine and another one is low pressure turbine. Okay, let us see the working of gas turbine power plant. The atmospheric air is drawn into the low pressure compressor through the air filter and it is compressed here. The compressed low pressure air goes into the high pressure compressor through the intercooler. Here the heat of the compressed air is removed by sending water. Then the high pressure compressed air goes into the combustion chamber. The high pressure compressed air is sent to the combustion chamber through the regenerator. In the combustion chamber, the fuel is added to the compressed air and the combustion of the fuel takes place. The product of combustion goes into the high pressure turbine. The exhaust gas high pressure turbine goes to the another combustion chamber and the additional fuel is added and it goes to the low pressure turbine. After the expansion in the low pressure turbine, the exhaust gas is used to heat the high pressure air coming to the combustion chamber through the regenerator. After that, the exhaust gas goes to the atmosphere. So from the low pressure turbine, the mechanical energy is used to run the generator. From that, the electrical energy, that is the electricity will be produced and it will be sent to the transmission lines. So some of the advantages of gas turbine power plant for a gas turbine power plant, natural gas is a very suitable It would be ideal to install gas turbine plants near the site where natural gas is readily available. And storage of fuel requires less area and handling is very easy. It can be started quickly and can be put on load in a very short time, and of course the cost of maintenance is less, and it is simple in construction. There is no need of boiler, condenser and other accessories as in case of thermal or steam power plant. So this question will be asked in 13 marks in an university examinations. So prepare well. Thank you.